Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video. As you can see, we have an S90 throttle body for the DSM/Evo 1 through 3 cars. These are known to have a very poor design for holding boost and leak under vacuum even. Due to some bearings, and the authentic ones do have a seal, but it's not great at all, and that's being generous. This one here I rebuilt, came off my personal car, 97 Talent all-wheel drive. I just wanted to show with the rebuild that these things will hold. I basically just have it bolted to an intake manifold with a block off plate here just so we could do the test. Little homemade tester, power inflator. As you can see, the gauge goes to about 30 pounds. If we wrap that, we can probably get in that 40 range. I'm gonna do a quick test just to show everybody. As you can see, we're probably at 40, if not even more. No issues whatsoever. This thing's going to hold pretty much, you know, what 99% of the DSM guys would ever throw at it. If properly rebuilt, no issues with these throttle bodies. All right, thanks guys.